What if I told you you can make 2.5 grand within minutes? Well, sounds crazy, right? But just recently I did just that. And today's video is discussing how you can copy me and do exactly what I did and make a lot of money trading Forex. Whether you're a beginner trader or advanced trader, trust me, you will find value in this video. I'm gonna teach you how to spot heavy trends, use pivot points to your advantage, and time the market at the right time for perfect trading entries using market volatility. Here's the profit I made not too long ago. Let's get on with today's trading video. First things first, before we can trade, we need to find a heavily trending Forex market. And by heavy, I don't mean some vague choppy movement. We are talking about a market that clearly shows strong one directional trend. Whether it's shooting up or dropping down like a rock, every time frame should confirm this trend. Once we got that, we are one step closer to killing the Forex markets and placing our first trade. Now that we have our trending market, it's time to set up our monthly pivot points. Here's the move. Head to babypips.com and grab the floor pivot points. But the one pivot point you really want to focus on is the central pivot. This little number often dictates where the market is currently heading. If the candlesticks are above it, you're looking for a buy trade. Below it, it's time to consider a sell trade. So we got our pivot point. Great. Let's go over to TradingView and plot that on our charts. Use the horizontal line tool, plot it anywhere on your chart, double click on it and paste the central pivot point value you grabbed before. And boom, you got the central pivot point right in front of your eyes. Next, let's layer in the 200 moving average. But why? Because it will give us that extra confirmation we need for the trend direction. We'll be adding one more key Forex indicator shortly to make this trading strategy bulletproof. So hang tight. And also remember this isn't a long-term swing trading strategy. Nope, we are scalping and day trading here, so you need to move fast. Sometimes you'll only have 20 to 30 seconds to enter the trade before the window closes. Timing is everything in this Forex trading strategy, so be prepared. Okay, we are on the fun part now. The real market magic happens when there's a market shift, usually around strong economic market news or the overlap of the London and New York trading session. That's when things get volatile, and volatility, my friend, is where we make our money. So during that time when the market drops sharply, we want to be looking for a strong, quick reversal trade, especially when it hits that central pivot point we marked earlier on. Now, sometimes you'll notice that the price might dip below the pivot line on the 5-minute chart. The number one tip, don't sweat it. This could be the market faking out some of the small players before rallying. But if you are in this situation, you want to use your 200 moving average. This is your second layer of defense. Because we set up our 200 moving average from our 4-hour time frame, it's going to give us a much better and more accurate reading than the monthly pivot line. This is where our third and last indicator comes in handy, the ATR, or the average true range indicator. It basically helps us decide where to place our stop loss. For instance, if the ATR indicator is giving you a value of 410, by removing the 0, it means 41 pips. So if the number was 41, you times that by 2 and you set your stop loss to 82 pips. This keeps you safe from getting prematurely stopped out by the market makers who prey on the poorly placed stop losses. Let's talk real Forex trades and scenarios. Imagine you placed your trade and the first 5-minute candlestick closes below the pivot line. This is exactly where you should expect the market to turn around. And guess what? The next candlestick reacts to all the buy orders, triggering a strong bullish rally. Here's the cool part, this doesn't happen just once. After the first bullish push, the market may dip again, possibly touching the 200 moving average for another perfect entry. This setup alone could easily get you 50 to 80 pips profit within minutes. And if you're not sure how to calculate this in terms of money, use the pip value calculator. Say you're trading with 3 lot size, each pip is worth $10. That's $3,000 profit on a single trade. If you're trading smaller, let's say 0.3 lot size, you're still making $300 profit within 5 to 10 minutes. This is crazy amount of money for the amount of work you have to do. This trading strategy isn't about trading every day. It's about waiting for those golden opportunities. When the market gives you low-hanging fruit, you take it, no questions asked. This trading strategy works because we're trading always with the market direction and we are ready to pounce when the market has that retracement. We trigger a buy and make a lot of money. And that's it. This Forex trading strategy is simple, fast, and effective if executed correctly. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more day trading or scalping strategies, you can watch this video next. And I also invite you to join my VIP trading group. We have been absolutely dominating the markets, a lot of positive reviews, and take care. See ya.